Unit 7. That's my school. Vocabulary. Hi, you guys. I'm Renee. Welcome to the vocabulary lesson. Today, we are going to learn some new words to describe school and school facilities. What are they? Big and large. Small. New. Old. Beautiful. Nice. Big and large. Big and large. Big. Big. Big is an adjective used to describe the size or quantity of people and things. Big. A big man. A big house. A big smile. B-I-G. Big. My school is big. There are a lot of classes in my school. Sometimes, instead of saying big, we also say large. Large. Large is often used for things, but it can also be used for animals and people. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. My playground is large. The gym is large too. Small. This word is also used to describe the size and quantity of things. Small is the opposite of big and large. Small. 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 S-M-A-L-L. Small. A small girl. This classroom is small. Small, small, small. New. 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 A new school. A new hairstyle. If something is new, it is recently made or bought. New. N-E-W. New. New can also be used for people. Linda is my new friend. She is our new classmate. Old. The opposite of new is old. 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 An old man. Old books. O-L-D. Old. My house is rather old. There's an old lady on the road. Old. Beautiful. This adjective is often used to describe the appearance of people or things. When you think someone or something is very attractive, you can call it beautiful. 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 A beautiful playground. a beautiful girl. Listen. Beautiful. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Wow! My new classroom is beautiful. Nice. Nice is used to talk about something that is pleasant, enjoyable, or attractive, but it is not as strong of a word as beautiful. Nice. Nice. A nice day. Repeat after me. Nice. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. This classroom is nice. Have a nice day. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.